My dead skin has actually come out. You can see it.
Hello my super babies, welcome back to my channel. And today, yes, I am bare-faced, absolutely bare, because I'm going to be showing you a demo about my babies. Today's video is going to be a feedback, a demo, and yes, everything nice. So today I'm going to be talking about a Korean brand. Now most of us know Korean products are really good, and their products are really good, especially for skincare. And yeah, I am a big fan of Korean products and Japanese products. Big fan, because Korean brand, I've used a Korean product years back from the brand's It's Skin, and I really liked it. Then I've currently used another product also from another brand. I'll put the link in the description box. I've written a blog post on that. So I really like Korean brands because it has really suited my skin like Japanese products. So for showing you a complete feedback about this product, I had to come bare today. No moisturizer also. I didn't want to put a lip balm also because in case it gets mixed with the product, it's completely bare. So you can see, whoever has issues that I look only beautiful with makeup, I think I look beautiful even without makeup. What say? So today's brand is going to be Innisfree. Now most of us know again Innisfree skincare products are really good, and it has recently opened up in Mumbai, which is like wow. They're even selling it online, so if I find a link for this product, I'll put it in the description box. Actually, I find everything attractive about Innisfree. When I just go into the store also, the smell, the aroma is so freaking addictive, and all the products lying in front of you so neatly. It's like you will pick up something or the other when you come out of Innisfree, and the products are not even very expensive. So it's still like in our budget. I bought this product say about 6 months back, I guess, and when I went to the store, that was the first time I went to Innisfree, I asked the lady out there, I wanted something really different which I wanted to review to my babies. So I wanted to buy something really different, and then I came across
Innisfree Wine Peeling Jelly Softener.
it feels a little different, wine in it, peeling in it. The whole title made me very excited. Wine, peeling, softener, all this really is so freaking exciting. It is priced at 900 Indian rupees for 180 ml, and little goes a long way. You can use it for a very long period of time. It's been like 6 months and still I am not done with it. So you can imagine there's quite a lot of product in it, and you just have to use a little bit. As for the consistency and the texture, it sounds like a gel, but it's not really like gel. From my experience, I felt it's like water actually, literally like water. Let's talk a little bit about the packaging. I kind of like the packaging. It's nothing fancy as such, and I'm not a sucker for fancy bottles as such. Yes, it attracts me, but I'm not a sucker for it because eventually if the product is crap and the bottle looks really beautiful, it does not make sense. So the packaging is just about okay for me, and the product really matters, and the bottle is really sturdy. That's what matters a lot for me because I travel so much, so it should not be prone to breaking. There is a double cap which ensures double safety and prevents the product from spilling. As for the aroma, it is very mild, nothing strong as such. I don't get any aroma as such. Now let me just tell you what it did to my skin after using it religiously. It actually makes my skin feel really soft as soon as I wash it off, and it actually gets rid of the upper layer of my skin. Yes, it actually gets rid of my upper layer. Initially when I started using it, I was a little skeptical. I couldn't believe the fact that it's actually removing my upper layer, and it's removing the dirty skin, it's removing the dead skin, it's removing blackheads and whiteheads. I couldn't believe that fact. So I used it once, and after a few minutes, when I used it first time, there was obviously I could feel dead skin, which they said is dead skin. And then when I washed it off after a few minutes, I wanted to check it again, whether in the same place after cleansing it once, again will the dead skin come out, or there is something in this product. So after a few minutes again I applied it, and you won't believe it, there was very less dead skin the second time I applied it. In fact, no dead skin the second time I applied it. Like maybe here somewhere, my skin being so dry, there can be little dead skin here and there. So I was really amused, and I knew there is something in this which is getting rid of my dead skin. It's not the product which is coming out, it is my dead skin which is coming out. And yeah, I was really excited about it. I felt like wow, there's something about this product, and I feel it's really good, especially for blackheads and whiteheads. Mine are not so prominent, so if you have mild blackheads and whiteheads, it will really come out nicely after you know wash it off. If you press it slightly, it literally comes out. Second thing, I found it really good to get rid of tan pigmentation. Like this whole one layer of skin really comes out. I like that too. It cleanses my skin really well, and top of it, it makes my skin really soft. So all this really made me very excited, and that's why I had to make this video. If the product wasn't good, I might have not made this video, but because it's so good, that's why I had to make this video, so that any one of y'all, if you are interested, can purchase this. If you're expecting this product to get rid of strong, stubborn blackheads and whiteheads, I don't think it's going to do that. So don't have expectations as such. It'll just get rid of mild blackheads and whiteheads. Not like the stubborn ones, it will not. This doesn't do that. And if you're expecting this to reduce and lighten scars, acne scars, wounds as such, it can reduce and lighten it in the long run. Anyways, it's removing like the upper layer of skin. So finally it might just fade it off. I feel so, because it's really good. So let's show it to you really live. How often I use this? I use it sometimes once a week and sometimes twice a week. When I'm too excited about it, yes, I use it twice a week. So now it's time for a demo, and I'm really excited to show you how it comes out like. I've always used it very carefully because I don't like the cap so much. And it's fine. I've never taken too much. I've taken enough. This is enough for my face. I'm going to be applying it on my face. Let me get the camera a little closer. I'm going to just apply it on my face. Whatever's remaining, I'm going to start massaging now. Granules actually start coming out so fast because my skin is right now very dry. So I think more dead skin and dirt will come out. It actually gets rid of my dead skin, and I have quite a lot of dead skin. After I massage it, I will show you. They said not to go too close to the mouth, but I am going close to it. And I'm not even following the way they have said. I'm just doing it the way I like it. I've even followed the way what's written in that, but a lot of product gets wasted. So I want to do it the way I like it because I'm finding results with that.
You can see the white particles. It's actually my dead skin. It is my upper layer of skin. That's what I assume. And yeah, you can see a lot more of it.
Skin feels extremely soft. Oh my god. Really soft. You can literally feel like a layer is gone. I don't know, there's a different feeling. The skin feels really clean, really soft. Freak man. I love this, and it's so addictive. Sometimes I want to do it again after some time. But I like to restrain myself to once a week or twice a week. I would highly recommend this product. It's freaking good. Now if you have wounds or pimples as such, I would tell you not to apply this that time. Let your skin heal from rashes and pimples and then apply this, because there are chances it can burn. I've not used it when I have pimples. So yes, I can't say if you have pimples whether you should use this or not. I would personally not use it. So I wish you also don't use it if you have pimples, wounds, rashes as such.
What it says, enriched with wine extracts from France. Wine creates a clear and smooth jelly-like skin by gently lifting away dead skin cells and providing hydrating moisture, and yes, it does what it claims. And here are all the ingredients. Why I love this product so much: it is enriched with plant extracts, it is super gentle on the skin, and it's extremely good for sensitive skin. It exfoliates the skin very gently and leaves the skin super soft, healthy, and does not strip skin of its natural moisture.
So I hope you found this video useful, and if you liked my bare face, don't forget to hit a like and make my day. If you found this video useful also, don't forget to hit a like and make my day. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit on that bell and get notified as soon as I upload a video, as soon as I come live. If I come live and you get notified, it is super, because I'll be answering your queries as soon as I see your questions, and it's my pleasure to answer you. So don't forget to hit on that bell and darken it, and all my social media links will be in the description box. So see ya later in another video very soon. Bye bye.